Well, here we go, everybody. So tonight we finished off this lathe station, ready to turn tool handles. That's really what the goal was, get a spot out of the way off to the side. And but to be honest with you, we will be spending a lot of time on this lathe. Probably what I think I'm going to do, I'm probably going to get a bunch of tool handles churned, oiled, ready to go. I have draw knives ready for handles. Got to just do some final polishing. We're also going to be making lathe tools, just like that one we made a couple of videos back, and then some skews, gouges, things like that, as I get my processes refined. I'm not going to send anything out that looks like a piece of shit. So anyway, we put some racks in here so we could get some turning stock in here, split up. It can dry. Really what I need to do is go through and paint the ends of these, which I'll probably pick up some paint this weekend and just hit them quick, you know, just to help seal that up. I don't mind tool handles a little, not totally green, I don't mind them a little green. I don't want anything that's going to check and split as it dries out, so we kind of have to watch that. That'll be, that handle we turned the other day, that'll be a good experiment to see. Black walnut's pretty stable that way though, it doesn't check a whole lot. But then it does check some, so we'll definitely have to watch that. Once you've sealed up the oil, though, it takes a lot of that away from it. But anyway, so to reiterate what we did here, we have our tool rest, or our tool holder we made. Now, that tool holder is over top and behind the lathe. Obviously, when I'm churning, that's going to be a pain in the ass, but that's the best spot I have to put that stuff. Going to have to turn the lathe off, let the piece stop churning so that I can grab a tool so we don't catch a shirt or something in there, because I just really don't feel like messing with that. So this top is a piece of elm slab. A very astute viewer who must watch all of them. This is out of the same log that we did our TV stand out of that's in the house. Under here, these are old hemlock floor joists. They were rough cut. We planed those down to about 1.5 inches by 3 inch. The stretchers for the drying rack for our turning blanks, those are 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches hemlock as well. And I did it like that so there's only a couple layers on each one and only one layer on the top. Got to have good airflow to be able to get through this stuff. It's got to be able to dry. You don't want it to mold. So that's a good spot. Really, you're looking, I've said it before in many videos, you're looking for 1 inch a year. I'm not as worried about that on this stuff. Like I said, the grain's going to get sealed up really fast. I'll let it dry enough to get the sap moisture out of it, and we'll just go from there. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will do a overview video on this showing all the parts all at once. There won't be a hell of a lot of talking. And so anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll catch you on the next one.